Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kotab with Giselle. If you are joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for joining. I really hope you enjoy my content, and if you do like it, do share it with some friends, and also please don't forget to subscribe because it does help me quite a lot. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning in a new video. Today's video, guys, is finally my decorate with me, decorating my Christmas tree, and I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing this year. Last year I went more for a traditional red and gold sort of theme. This year I was feeling more of a glam sort of luxury look to my tree, so it's not very traditional, it's a bit modern with a bit of my sort of taste to it. So I'm going to be going for champagnes and some gold as well, so I really hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, before we start the decorating the Christmas tree, we are going to make some hot chocolate together, because it is not a Christmas tree decoration without starting out with our most vital hot drink. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I will list all of the baubles, the decorations that I've used in the description box with the link. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, we are starting off by making a hot cup of hot chocolate. It wouldn't be a Christmas decoration of the tree without making a hot chocolate. I'm going to be adding all the trimmings to my hot chocolate, some marshmallows, some whipped cream, and also I'm going to dust a little bit of the hot chocolate over the marshmallows and the cream, just for that extra goodness and sweetness to our hot chocolate. And then after that, I'm taking myself into the living room space, and I am going to light up a candle. And of course, I'm lighting up a candle that I picked out and bought from HomeSense. This is the spicy gingerbread candle, and it is from Sand and Fog, who are my absolute favorite candle makers. I absolutely love the smell of this. It just smells divine, and I just thought it would be the perfect candle to light up for our decoration. And of course, on the TV, guys, I have the fireplace going as well, just to add a bit of a nice cozy effect to the room. For the purpose of this video, guys, I've already taken out the tree. The lights have already also been put onto the tree, just for quickness. I just wanted to specifically show you guys the decorations. So as you guys can first see, I'm going in with this gold mesh decoration, and I'm just wrapping that all around the tree. I just love the effect that it creates, and because my theme is gold and silver with a twist of metallic as well to it, I just thought this would be the perfect thing to wrap around the tree. I also like it as well because it creates a bit of fullness on the tree and just bulks it up a bit more. And yeah, I just like how it looks like, rather than just having the baubles by themselves. I feel like it adds a bit of that glitz and glam that I am going for. So I've put that and twisted it all around the tree. It does take a bit of time to get it wrapped around, but once you've done it, guys, it is like the perfect thing to add for decorating your tree. And by the way, if anyone wants to know where I picked that gold mesh decoration, I picked it up from Wilkinson's. So really, really affordable price. They have it as well in silver if you are obviously going to go for that theme. But I was going particularly for the gold because I just liked how it looked like. So guys, once I have finished wrapping the tree with that gold mesh, I am going on to adding the Christmas baubles, and these are the ones that I picked out. They come in a pack of 9. I absolutely love them because although they are all silver, they have sort of different silver embellishment, sort of like a look and feel on them, which is something that I really, really liked. I also like that they created a wintry feel as well into the house. I mixed them up with some bubbles that I put on last year on the tree because I felt like they went very well with the champagne-y, silverish small baubles that I had from last year, which I'll also link in the description box below. I just loved the glittery textured. I also liked the sort of smooth textures on some of them, and just how it didn't look too busy. I don't like Christmas trees that look very busy. I feel like Christmas trees should still look a little bit traditional, but also with a modern twist, and I particularly wanted to go for that. And I wanted it to be just a bit more wintry, glitz and glam, rather than just like looking overloaded. I just think it looks perfect to keep it nice and simple but still glamorous, which is what I went for. It might not be everybody's taste, of course, which I understand, but I definitely loved the different textures that these baubles had. I will add them in the description box if you guys are interested. So I applied them on, and the thing with decorating the Christmas tree that I've learnt from doing this the second time is that you definitely have to move things around. I've moved the baubles around all over the tree so many times because sometimes you might look at it from a different angle and just think it just needs to be adjusted, or you might just think there's too much like huge baubles in one section and you just want to differentiate them, or like too much textures in one place, which was something that I saw that came up when I was putting them on. But overall, I really enjoyed creating this this sort of theme and going for this sort of theme. I just think it goes perfectly with my sort of home decor, which is more on the sort of nude and simplistic kind of palette. I just like this because it just made it easier for me to pair it up with the decor that I already have in my apartment. And then last but not least, I didn't have the star. I had to order that off Amazon, so I ordered a nice star which really matched very well with the baubles and the theme. It was like this really nice glittery sort of shade of star. I just liked it. It's very glittery, very me, and very much on theme. I bought that for £5.99 off Amazon, which was really, really reasonable. So I applied that as the little last piece to end off the tree. But I really enjoyed creating it, and do let me know whether you guys enjoyed it with that discussion. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.